My name is Ben Gerarve, and I work in the Customer Experience department. I am Director of Customer Experience, so I manage a team that is the Customer Engagement Specialist. Helping our customer is a huge part, I think, of what makes me love my job and what we do, and especially my team. When a customer's having issues and we can go in and offer them suggestions on ways in which that maybe something worked really well in New York City, and we can say, even though you're in California, maybe that same type of concept would work really well for you there too. We don't want any of the glory. We want to be on the backside to make sure that they become the hero in the situation. Each individual person is able to build their own path, and that culture and having the ability to express yourself and have your opinions being heard is a huge part of why I would recommend anyone come to Stuller. I am Ben, and I am Stuller.